Researchers at the University of Western Australia, UWA, got a captivating shock while endeavoring to concentrate on hereditary contrasts between plants in a gigantic undersea knoll. Their examples uncovered that the glade was, as a matter of fact, only one exceptionally old and extremely huge organic entity. As indicated by The Guardian, this single Posidonia australis plant, all the more usually known as laceweed, ranges a shocking 77 square miles of undersea land off the shore of Western Australia's Shark Bay. For viewpoint, that is multiple times the size of Manhattan. Move over, trees. There's a new, all things considered, approximately 4,500-year-old, Goliath around. Stripweed is versatile, which is one justification for why it's had the option to flourish in Shark Bay's difficult circumstances. The region has likewise been somewhat immaculate by people, which will in general be something to be thankful for with regards to sea well-being. In any case, the first seedling itself wowed established researchers. A crossover of two unique seagrass species, this noteworthy little colonizer some way or another kept chromosomes from both mother and father. Rather than getting a portion of its qualities from mum and half from father, it's kept every one of them, said UWA specialist and co-author of a Learn About the Disclosure, Dr. Elizabeth Sinclair. Subsequently, the plant has intrinsic hereditary variety, a basic element for the well-being and lifespan of plant populaces that takes into consideration transformation to ecological change. This likewise implies that our 20,000 rugby field-sized companion has had the option to continue to develop via rhizomes, rather than repeating, since it previously grew. Discuss independent. Furthermore, this plant isn't the slightest bit egotistical in its undertakings. The knoll is a shelter for a wide range of ocean animals, including turtles, dolphins, dugongs, crabs and fish, as per The Guardian. Anyway, we should keep on letting this autonomous sovereign run wild if needs be, will we?